Welcome to Spagtastic. In this lesson we are going to be learning about using paragraphs. This is a level 4 skill. What is a paragraph? A paragraph is a set of sentences that are organised together into one group. A paragraph is usually made up of several sentences that are related, and they are used in fiction and non-fiction writing. Paragraphs help to organise writing so that it is easier to read. They are used in writing to introduce new ideas in a story, new characters, or new pieces of information. A new paragraph always starts on a new line. A new paragraph is signalled by missing a line or leaving an indent, which is where you begin your writing part of the way along a line. Paragraphs have no set length, although they are often longer in fiction than non-fiction pieces of writing. Here is a non-fiction text about kangaroos that has been organised into paragraphs. Let's have a look at the information within each paragraph. The first paragraph says, "Kangaroos are marsupial animals and they are found in the deserts and grasslands of Australia and New Guinea. They tend to live in groups ranging in size from only a few to over 50. This paragraph introduces the kangaroo and is about its habitat and group size. The second paragraph says, "Kangaroos have very powerful hind legs and they can jump over 9 metres in one go. They have a long, strong tail that helps them to balance while they jump. They have quite a small head compared to their body size, and their long snout helps them when grazing. They carry their young in a pouch." This information is grouped into one paragraph because it is all about what the kangaroo looks like. The final paragraph says, "The red kangaroo is the largest species of kangaroo. A large male can be around 2 metres tall and they weigh approximately 90 kilograms. The eastern grey kangaroo is slightly smaller and less well known than the red kangaroo, but it is more often seen as it lives near to more populated areas. The western grey kangaroo is slightly smaller again, and a large male typically weighs just over 50 kilograms. This information is all about different species of kangaroo. As you can see, each paragraph contains ideas that are connected around a theme. Paragraphs can also be used to help organise ideas in a story. In story writing, paragraphs are used to introduce new characters, to introduce a new theme or idea, to show that time has passed, to show that the mood has changed, or to show suspense, and finally, if dialogue is used, we use paragraphs. Let's take a look at how we can use paragraphs in an extract of a story. At the moment, this writing is organised into one paragraph, but we could split it into 2 paragraphs to add suspense and keep the reader interested. While we read, have a think about where you think we should begin a new paragraph. Oscar tiptoed slowly through the dark, mysterious forest. Night was drawing in and the temperature was dropping rapidly. Eerie noises broke the silence, causing him to freeze. He was hopelessly lost. Would he ever see his family again? Suddenly, in the distance, a bright flash of light caught his eye. Could this be the way out he'd been searching for? His pace picked up and he ran. Now let's take a look at this text when it has been organised into 2 paragraphs. Did you choose the correct place to end one paragraph and start a new one? Let's see. Would he ever see his family again is the perfect time to end one paragraph and start a new paragraph because it signals the point that something has changed. There is a new twist in the story. We think that all hope is lost for Oscar, and this compels the reader to carry on reading. Notice how a line is missed at the end of the first paragraph and the second paragraph begins with the word suddenly. Here is a short summary of what we have learnt in this lesson. A paragraph is a set of sentences that are organised together into one group. Paragraphs can be used in fiction and non-fiction pieces of writing to break the writing into clear sections, making it easier for the reader to understand.